Hello, good people. We have another new module called Leads List View. Before we begin, I request you to subscribe to this channel. The subscription button is on your screen on your bottom right. After this, we shall begin with the first unit. So this first unit has 5 learning objectives. I encourage you to read the learning objectives, read through the notes. We have screenshots, we have pictures. Go to your playground, start to familiarize and get the best out of this module. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz, true or false. A lead status can be updated from a lead list view. This is true. What is the purpose of the list view for leads? Accurate scales forecasting, reaching out to the customers with open leads, sorting lists based on filters, and then viewing all opportunities. The right answer here is C. And then I'll check my quiz. I'll get it right. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Stay tuned to this channel to get free Trailhead modules. Until then, bye-bye.